Everyone in the world has a goal, but not everyone is achieving it. Only a fraction of people is achieving their goals. When I was in my school days, when I was 16 years old, I had lots of dreams and goals. I was thinking why those people can achieve their goals, but we can't. And I found a framework. They all have a pattern in common: consistency, focus, and adaptability. How to actually master these three things? Yesterday, I was studying about decision making and I found this framework, the 3 P's framework: predict, prioritize, and plan. By following this framework, you can master those three things: consistency, focus, and adaptability. First one, predict. Here you need to analyze your past, present, and forecast your future. For example, let's take I have a goal to build a good physique. I made this decision 5 months ago, but still I'm looking same. To find the reason, I need to analyze my past. In my past, I was not consistent in doing my workouts and not consistent in diet. Now I need to forecast my future, who I want to be the next 10 years, 5 years, 3 years, and 1 year. For example, in the next 1 year, I want to build a good physique, and the next 3 years, I want to be a trainer in a gym, and in the next 10 years, I want to run my own business. Now I know the past, present, and future. I need to combine all these things and create an action list to become the person I want to become. For example, to build a good physique, first I need to go to gym every day. That is the first action, and I need to follow a good diet. And to become a good trainer, I need to know about the science of muscles, and I need to learn about proteins and how muscles grow. For that, I need to consume some videos to gain knowledge. That is another action, watching YouTube tutorials. And to start my own business, I need to have knowledge on sales, marketing. Here I have listed some actions based on the past, present, and future forecasting. Now I have the complete action list. Number two, prioritize. This is very important because people who are achieving their goals are working on the right things, but we are working on the wrong things. That's why we are not able to achieve our goals. Now in the prioritization, we need to prioritize all the actions based on these three things: critical, important, and non-essential. Critical means you must do that task, and important means you should do that, and non-essential means you can do it later, because non-essentials are big goals. Now I need to categorize it. For me, the critical things are two things: I need to go to gym every day and I need to follow a good diet. These are my critical things, and the important thing is watching tutorials. And finally, the non-essential things: planning, sales, and marketing. Now I prioritized each task by critical, important, and non-essential. After that, I'm going to follow the critical and the important things. I'm going to ignore the non-essential things for now, because those things are for long term. Now I'm going to focus on the short term only. Number three, plan. Now I have the direction and clarity. I know what is important and what is critical, and I know what are the things I need to focus on a day-to-day basis. Here in the planning session, I need to break down every single task and schedule a particular time for each task, and I need to set a deadline for each task. First, I analyze my past, present, and future, combined it to create an action list. After that, I prioritized each action based on critical, important, and non-essential. I ignored the non-essentials because I'm not going to focus on the long term. I'm going to focus on the short term plans. This is your framework. After making your plan, you need to do it consistently. Here I covered the consistency and where you need to focus, but I didn't cover the third one, adaptability. What is adaptability? You need to review your goals every single week and make some changes based on what went well and didn't. You need to schedule a specific time for this reviewing process. Review your weekly actions and you need to analyze what went well and didn't. After that, you need to find the solutions for the wrong thing. By following these three things, you can easily achieve your goals. The loop should be like this: make a plan, do it, review your actions, change your plan according to what went well and didn't, then again repeat the process. Do it, review, change the plan. Do it, review, change the plan. That's it for today's video. Peace.